Alright, ladies and gentlemen, easy peasy tutorial on how to install what we're going to need for the server. So, just get a Google tab open, type out MultiMC, go to the download and install, download for Windows, click it, and then you can click this little arrow, show in folder, right click that. You'll need to have either 7-zip or WinRAR, something along those lines, but you should have a option to extract here. Click that, and then go up to the search bar, type multi, it'll pull up the file. For some reason, click it twice, and then multimc.exe. Now, if you go to your downloads, you find it, it's right here. You can do name and search by M as well. But anyways, you can move this wherever you need to. For now, I'm just going to keep it here. We're going to go into here and click multimc.exe, American English, cool. Hit next. These should automatically fill the way that you need them to. This is going to be for your RAM. Since it is technically modded, I would say go with a little bit more than this. Let's see.